Probably the biggest attraction at Itsu's, shave ice, or ice shave, as some would call it. Customers range from about age 2, tastes pretty good, doesn't it, Travis, to 92. And then there's the famous, colorful, sweet and salty popcorn. Master popper Masuto Miyamoto shared the secret ingredient.
Well, the only thing is, like anything else, well, a little bit sweaty. Yeah, on a little sweat.
Itsu's has been in business for about 20 years now. Not quite as long as this cash register, but by all means a successful family business, owned and run by the Kitamuras, Chiono and Itsuo.
Who's the boss around here?
I'm the boss, he's the bossy.
We do our thing and keep work at work, and when you go home, just kick back.
What's your favorite part of running this business?
Well, meet all the people and all that, the Hawaiian people. A lot of retirees, fishermen.
The construction workers and people from far-off places.
It's a special glue that holds together a family business, but even son Wade has a little trouble describing it.
Living with a family is, sometimes hard enough. Working together takes something, I guess. Hard to explain.
Don't forget to pick up some pickled mango from granddaughter Tony while you're there at Itsu's Fishing Supplies. Just part of what makes Hilo such a special place.
And, by the way, there are fishing supplies back there.
Sure.
Yeah, we never got past the food, so...
You've been talking about the popcorn forever.
It's delicious, kind of a sweet and salty, wonderful treat. Anyway, Itsu's Fishing Supplies, hope you'll drop by.
Another treat ahead in just a moment. Dan will be back with the weather, so do stay with us from Hilo.